malamig. Hindi malamig siya. Ayan. Hindi naman siya masyadong malamig ngayon. Wala pa akong dinner ngayon. So, ayan guys. Hindi na masyadong malamig dito sa Hong Kong guys ngayon. Kyle Castro, the drummer. Boy, thank you so much. So, all about food, still watching. Thank you all guys. 8 million in the house. Thank you so much. Keep safe po ate. Thank you so much, Sir Kyle Castro, Kyle Castro, the drummer boy. Remis TV, Walkins, thumbs up sis. Thank you so much, sis Remis. Thank you, sis Sopertinang. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Welcome sis. Thank you so much. Dito lang po, busy pa. Okay, sis, Super Tinang. Thank you so much. So, ayan, done watch. All about food, done watch. Alright. Before I forgot. Oh my God. Ayan ang aking mga alaga guys. Ano? Uwi na tayo. Uwi na tayo. Oh, bakit? Uwi na tayo. You want to go home now? Oh, later. Sis Brydon. Sis Brydon drove Vista. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Sis Marian Official, thank you so much, sis. Zeron More TV, thank you so much. Sis Remis TV, Walkins, thank you so much. Sis Sopertinang Vlog, thank you so much. Kyle Castro, the drummer boy, thank you so much. Sis Bibs Vlog, thank you so much, Sis Bibs. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan. Cute ng baby. Oo, Sis Remis. Ito na ang nalagaan kong dalawa ngayon. Malaki na kasi ang inalagaan kong baby noon. 6 years old noon na alaga ko. Ngayon ay 16 years old na, so no need ng alagaan. So itong mga aso ko, ito na lang ang alaga ko ngayon. Samber, Risky, Tiralis, Sis Lilian, hello. Thank you so much, Samber. Thank you so much for coming. Samber, Risky. Guys, nakapin guys, please connect guys. So, ayan, thank you so much all of you guys for supporting my live stream today. Thank you. So, ayan.